Dear Professor, I would like to submit my homework for sharp number 2. I bought Control RC Servo and stable model by displaying on GUI at Visual Studio Software. Use C++ and C# language. For this task, we can create this shell to control the servo motor and the stable motor. This is the physical connection. We can use the Arduino and the SG90 micro servo motor and the 28BYG48 stable motor. For the SG90 micro servo motor, this motor has 3 pins. One color is the orange, one is the red, and is the brown. The orange pin is the single pin. Connect the single pin of Arduino, and ground connect the ground pin on the Arduino, and the power, the 5 volts, the red pins connect the 5 volts pin on the Arduino. For the SG19 Microsoft servo motor is a small and lightweight servo motor widely used in hobby electronics, robotics, and Arduino projects that operates using pulse width modulation. Short title as PWM. Signals to control its position. It can be rotated approximately 118 degrees and is known for its affordability and ease of use. If using just one servo, you can directly from the Arduino 5 volts pin, not directly from the Arduino 5 volts pin. If using multiple servos, we can use the breadboard and connect the power pin or the ground pin. For the stable motor, I use the 28BYG48 stable motor. The stable motor's current electricity into rotation. Not only does a stable motor current electricity power into rotation, but it can be very accurately controlled in terms of how far it will rotate and how fast. Stable motors are so named because each pulse of electricity turns the motor one step. A stable motor is a brushless electromechanical device that governs as a series of electric pulses applied to its excitation windings into precisely defined step-by-step mechanical shaft rotations. The motor's shaft rotates through a fixed angle, say step angle, from each discrete pulse, with this rotation being either linear or angular. A single pulse input results in a one-step movement. Like or electric motors, it has a stator and a rotor. The rotor is the movable part which has the windings, brushes and a commutator. Usually the rotors are either variable re- reluctance or permanent perman- permanent magnet cant. The stator is often constructed with multiple and multi-phase windings, usually of 3 or 4 phase windings wound for a required number of poles decided by desired angular displacement per input impulse. Unlike other motors, it operates on programmed discrete control harnesses that are applied to the stator windings via an electronic driver. The rotation occurs due to the magnetic interaction between poles of sequentially energized stator winding and the poles of the rotor. For the Arduino code, we can include the stepper and the serial label, and the bound root is 9800, and the stepper have 2048 steps, and define the serial. The serial pin is 6 of the Arduino board, and include the serial the initialization position is 120 degrees, and in the motor state, stop clockwise and counterclockwise, and the motor step is set different the stop, and the step motor we can set the 10, 11, 12, and 13, the 4 pins to on the Arduino board. In the board setup, we'll initialize the serial communication begin from the ground rate is 9600, and set the step motor begin speed is 20, and the serial motor attach the serial pin. The serial pin is 6. Okay, the setup is already. And for the stepper motor, the stepper motor read the signal from the motor state. If the state is clockwise, we can set the step is 512, because the 512 is the 1/4 of 2048, because these steps can make the step motor begin faster response. Else, if the state is counterclockwise, the the step motor set the step is minus 512 because the rotation is different and the change the function is the same. In the word loop, we set the step motor rotation by the command set from the command. What the command? We can tell the command serial read the command and switch the command if case 1 the motor state is clockwise and will show the print the staple clockwise and stop. If case the 2 the motor state is counterclockwise and print stable counterclockwise and stop. If case the 3 we can print the zero clockwise. The motor state is stop. It means the stable motor stop, not work. And zero wait the 0 and delay 1 second and write the 90 degree and delay 1 second and to the round to the 180 degree and stop. If case 3 input the case 4 input the 4 they print the 0 counterclockwise the step motor is stop and from the 0 motor from right the 180 from the delay 1 second and to the 19 degree and delay 1 second and to the 0 degree and stop. If input the 0, the step motor is stop and the 0 motor in the 0 degree and print the motor's stop and okay. In the Visual Studio, we can see this. We can provide the 0 point or component 1. The component 1 is new 0 point. Initialize the 0 point objects and initialize component. Okay, this and try to create the new connect. We can string the port name from the 0 point. If the port name is equal 0, it's no connect. The text box 1 shows the no com port found. And complex 1 read the data one time. Catch the text box show if not read the data or the symbol from the Arduino. The text box 1 will show the universal com point. Because no com, this variable com port from here to here. For the forms loading, we can use set the button 1, 2, 3, 4. And button 5 enable is true. Create the button is work is true. And for the 0 point, we can set read data from Arduino. Port 1 read the data from Arduino. If not read, the message will show in the message box error reading data. For the button 1, 2, 3, 4 are same. We can introduce. For the button 1 is right 9 is 1, case 1. Like input 1 on the Arduino's serial monitor, and the step motor will turn to the clockwise. Okay, the text box 2 will show the step clockwise, and the back color is green yellow. The text box 3 and the text box 4 not sure or clear, just show in the text box 2. Else, when is else, the message box shows sorry can't work, and the text box 2 will show the sorry can't work. Please try again. The back color is red. The text box 3 and the text box 4 not sure. In the bottle 2 are same. Just different is the bottle 2 is right 9 2. The step motor is counterclockwise, and the text will show the step counterclockwise. The back color are same as green yellow. The text box 3 and the text box 4 not sure. If it's else, it's false. The message box will show sorry can't work, and the text box 2 will show sorry can't work. Please try again. In the button 3, the button 3 write 9 3, maybe case 3. For this, the step motor is stop, and the serial motor is working. From the 0 degree to the 19 degree and to the 118 degree. The text box 3 shows the serial clockwise, and the back color same as green yellow. The text box 2 the step motor not sure, and the text box 4 for the stop box button is not sure. If it falls, a message box show sorry can't work again, and the text box 3 show the sorry can't work. Please try again. For the bottle 4 is white 9 4. Maybe a neck on the Arduino we can case 4. The serial motor work from the 180 degree to the 90 degree to the 0 degree, and show the serial counterclockwise. The text box 2, text box 4 not sure. Okay, we can introduce the button 5. The button 5 is stop button. What 9 the 0. In the Arduino we input the 0 or motors stop. The stable motor not work. The serial motor is not work. So the text box 4 shows the motors stop. The back color is green yellow, and for this the text box 2 and the text box 3 this is text box 2. The text box 3 are not sure. You can think the uh, the code in the text box 2 and the text box 3 are clear. For the connect button, the connect we can see the text box 1 will show the please select a COM port. The color is red. And for this, we can try the COM port read the data from the Arduino. If here have a data or a symbol, the component open is the serial point is open. The program is began. And if connect the COM, the text box 1 will show the device connected, and the color becomes the green. If not connect, or the device or the Arduino is broken or have error, the text box will show the device not connected. They inform us, or I will change the error. What's the error? Okay, this is the video. First, use the Arduino. Arduino. We can input 1, this, the stepper motor clockwise, and input 2, the clockwise, the stepper motor counterclockwise, and input 3 from 0 to 19 and to 118 degree, and input 4 from 180 to the 19 to the 0. It's input 1, input 2, 3, this 4, 3, 0, and input the 0, motors stop. In the Visual Studio, we can see when they start, we can say connect this, please select common, and show the not connected. It's can't work. The message box shows the can't work because the serial monitor not close. Connect again. Okay, we can see this clockwise. And okay, the play 3 clockwise and counterclockwise. 0 clockwise. This stop. We can say when 8, if the serial motor is working, the text box 3 sure, the text box 2 and the text box 4 not sure. And when when the step model is working, just show in the text box 2, the text box 3, and the text box 4 not show. And in here, when press the stop button, like input the 0 into the Arduino, we can say just show in the text box 4, the text box 2, and the text box 3 not sure. Okay, this is my introduction of homework for shop number 2 about Control RC Servo and step model by display on GUI at Visual Studio software using C++ and C# language. Thank you, sir.